Hello and welcome back. My name is Gabby. I'm the English teacher here at Options for Youth. We are going to be going over English 12A Unit 5 Performance Task 2 in this video. So you should already have an idea of what Unit 5 or Performance Task 2 has to do with because you did the first part in Unit 4. So in Unit 4 you created a 3 to 5 page narrative essay retelling in your own words a famous epic poem. So you chose Beowulf, La Morte d'Arthur, Sir Gawain and the Green Knight, Lydia the Lake. You chose one of these, Paradise Lost, one of these, and retold it. You had a conference with me and I gave you notes on that essay. Do those revisions now, okay? Turn in your final essay, and then you're going to edit and divide that essay into sections that you're going to put into your PowerPoint. You're going to break it into the different stages of the plot, so exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and resolution. So you might want to use that little chart that you used in Unit 4 for that as well. You want to give me a title slide and then some different sections. Here's where you have planning or an outline kind of for what you want to do on each of your slides. So slide 1, what do you want to see on that slide? What picture do you want to have? And then audio. I don't care as much about audio, I care about visuals that you're going to put on each one. Okay, audio could just be like what you're saying. Your final slip is you're going to review all of the presentation and essay. Make sure that you have the 5 stages of plot, the compelling conflict, the strong climax and resolution, detailed characters, well-established, maintained point of view, interesting dialogue, and a consistent tense. And then you're going to turn it in for credit. So this is your checklist. Did you describe the settings and events in the story? Did you maintain a constant tense? Yes or no? Did you follow the sequence of events in the framework for your plot? Did your plot build upon a strong climax and resolution? Did you create a compelling conflict in your story? Yes or no? Are your characters interesting and detailed? Is your narrator's point of view well established and maintained? Does your dialogue move the plot forward and develop characters' personalities? Yes or no? Did you add appropriate visual content to each slide? Add. Yes or no? Did you add appropriate audio content to each slide? Yes or no? Do you have a works cited page? Yes or no? Did you run the slideshow perfectly and all that? And then you have here the grading rubric, 40. That means you need to score at least what? Again, math's not great. 20 something? 28. You have to score at least 28 in order to pass here. So 5 is what our goal is always. Establish the setting and narrator and point of view effectively, plot and characters developed successfully with narrative techniques, well-organized build towards an effective climax, well-structured conclusion, purposeful steps to rewrite, so you can't give me the same rough draft and call it your final draft, to use technology, so PowerPoint or Google Slides. You used sources with citations, so if you're talking about Beowulf or something, you should cite Beowulf. And then purposeful steps to draw from evidence. And then that is the last performance task for Unit 5. Next will be the review or alternative assessment, and then you're done with your first semester of senior level of English. Yeah!